Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how easy it is to make corn tortillas. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright guys, so here we have all of our ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay guys, so making corn tortillas is seriously super easy. The hardest part is just getting it to the right consistency. There's many different brands of corn masa flour. These are just two of my favorite. And of course, you can also make them blue or yellow. So I'm going to be beginning by adding 2 cups of the instant corn masa. To that, I'm going to be adding 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. This is all optional, but I do like to add a little to my tortillas. So we're just going to mix it with our clean hand. And slowly we're going to begin to add our warm water. So for me, it takes about 1 3/4 of a cup. But just mix it as you're pouring. And you just don't want to have any dry spots. You want your dough to be very hydrated. So just make sure to add a good amount. And the good thing is, when you make corn tortillas, you can always fix it. Okay, so right here, my masa is well hydrated. It feels like Play-Doh. So now we just have to get it all nice and smooth. And by that, we're just going to be kneading for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, our dough is nice and smooth. And you're going to know that it's ready once you roll a small ball of dough. You press it down and it doesn't crack on the edges. You don't want dry tortillas, so if it cracks, make sure to add a little more water. Okay, so my dough is ready. So now we can begin to divide it into small balls. Depending on how big you want your tortillas, then it depends on how big you're going to roll them. I like to use my scale just so I can make sure that they're all nice and even. And I like to aim for 45 grams. Okay, so there it is. Okay, so now I'm just going to place them in a bowl. Make sure to cover them with a damp paper towel or kitchen towel. You don't want them to dry out. And we just repeat the process with the rest of our dough. We have divided our dough. We're going to cover it with a damp kitchen towel and allow it to rest for 20 minutes. Okay, and after 20 minutes, we can now get ready to make our tortillas. So I'm going to grab my little ball of dough. Get the tortilla press. Okay, I'm going to be using a Ziploc bag. I cut it. Now I'm just going to grab my little ball, press it down. Okay, press it down. And because my tortilla press doesn't press even, just going to flip it over and press again. Just like that. Remove the top plastic. Remove the bottom. I can get ready to take it to the comal. Okay, so now we're just going to place it on our hot comal and allow that side to cook for 40 seconds. After 40 seconds, we're going to flip it over and allow it to cook for 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, we're going to flip it over, press the center, and allow it to puff. And just like that, our tortilla is done. So we're going to remove it from the heat and place it in a kitchen towel. And we repeat the process. Alrighty guys, and once we have our tortillas, now we can get ready to serve and enjoy. And of course, you know, tortillas, homemade tortillas are honestly the best. Nothing can beat it. And today I'm just going to enjoy it with some salsa verde. Just like that. And some queso cotija. Okay, and just like that. Cheers and enjoy. Even a taquito like this, oh, so good. It takes me back, you know, to the days with my grandma that she would just give us a tortilla with pizquita de sal. These tortillas are honestly the best. They're so moist, they're not dry at all, and they're just perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make super easy and delicious corn tortillas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.